Hey everyone, this is a realistic outfit of the week video showing you exactly what I wore to university and also my weekends. If you like this video, remember to press like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. So starting off with a freezing Monday for the week, I wore a flowy blouse which is one of my current fave with a pair of trusty jeans. I added a scarf to give myself some extra warmth, and yeah, that's kind of my logic in winter. To add a layer, I have this thick leather jacket. It got padding inside, so it is actually very warm. I also wore my favorite burgundy boots to match with the red hues I've already had from the scarf and my hair. Just feeling really great with this I'm warm but haha I still rock look to fight off some Monday blues. Since I got a lot of classes, I bring along my tote bag for my laptop and all of the books. Alright, fun fact, I actually met a stranger that day and she complimented on my outfit, which made me really happy for the whole day. On Tuesday, it got a little bit warmer, but it rained in the evening. I got myself a newsboy hat so my hair won't get too wet. I love a neutral color toned look and just wanted to look chic while staying warm, so it would be really nice to wear a turtleneck, jeans and a nice pair of sneakers. I'm a huge fan in layering, so I got a bronze colored necklace here, and next I got a grey checkered blazer that makes me so much like a lady in her late 20s working from 9 to 6 wiki. But actually the sneakers and the hat toned down a lot, so that's fine. I threw on my top coat for some extra warmth and just tied everything together. Lastly, I got my lovely black backpack for all my essentials. I'm also like a big fan in color coordination, and wearing neutral colors just make me feel so good. So on Wednesday it got a bit warmer, but the rain is always so annoying. It rained so much that I couldn't film at all and had to refilm it on another very sunny day. Wednesday my editing day and I was in a cafe for my editing spree, so it would be great to have comfy knit with jeans and sneakers. To add something interesting, I got this colorful scarf with me just to highlight the look and look stylish and chic. Apologies for the massive sunbeams, I switched to another angle. And yeah, because Wednesday was a rainy day, I have my trench coat with me. These days after I've dyed my hair, it just stands out a lot on its own. So I wear more navy colors which complements the red brown hair. Finally, and again, I have my backpack so that I could just throw all my video editing essentials aside and shut myself in the editing mode for the day. Next on Thursdays, it was also fairly warm for me, but the wind was so strong and it certainly pissed me off. Anyway, I was also doing some layering for the day. First, for the top, it's a very lovely tie-dye crop top and I layered a bright saturated blue cardigan. On top of that, I threw on this long wool coat that keeps me warm all the time, her shoes to match with the colors I wore my New Balance, and again a backpack for all my books and laptop to uni. Thursday my video upload day and it always stresses me out, but yeah, I'm still fine as you can see. To fight the annoying wind, I was buttoning up my cardigan and the coat. Alright, don't forget to sneak up the sleeves of the bright cardigan a little bit so people can still see it after I button up everything. Thanks God it's Friday! I have to say I'm really happy when Friday comes. My mood was so much better, and also after releasing a video on Thursday, the stress was off. This time I'm going for a feminine, classy look. Turtlenecks always keeps me warm in this season, and here one of my favorite necklaces as well. To add more layers, I have this blazer, and now I must say this makes me so much like a schoolgirl, and also this is a classic look. On top of that, I got my trusty trench coat and that just ties everything up, and of course a fairly good choice as well for a windbreaker. If you decide to button up it, remember to add a belt or always use the one that came with the trench coat to preserve the waistline. This time I had my tote bag with me because I love the design on it with a little bit of purple that matches the skirt, and Friday is always lovely, and of course, a night out afterwards. Well, after partying on a Friday night, I was completely knackered, so I did not go out at all on Saturday. I literally slept till 4 p.m. and just spent the day getting my shit together. For Sunday, it was a gloomy day with light showers. I wore a cashmere top and also matched the pastel with this skirt. I actually found out that I tend to be more girly on Fridays and weekends. I usually wear more dresses and skirts on those days. Alright, back to the topic. I again have my long coat and I got a large wool scarf which could be really handy when it's rainy and windy. Oh right, and I wore a headband to do something with my hair when I'm lazy. Lastly, I got my small bucket bag, which is also in the pastel color, just to match everything. That's all for all the outfits that I wore in a week. Thank you so much for watching till the end and hope that will be helpful if you are in need of some outfit inspos. Cheers and see you next week!